What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Sienna Smart Key remote fob. This Toyota Sienna key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and I'm going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we take a look on the bottom in that area where this key just slid out of, right here you can see there's this little bit of a notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and I'm going to stick it in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then once I have that key all the way in that notch, I'm just going to twist the key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Then I'll turn it over so the buttons are facing down and pull the back cover off. Now we see our battery right here. And I'm going to use the end of this key to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of this holder like that. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Make sure your circuit board is back in place if it's shifted around at all. And then we can snap the back cover on. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.